Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video. And if you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Smita and welcome to the channel. Right now we're leaving for Pagoda and it's around 2:30 and I'm going on a solo ride today. So we almost reached Borivali and now we are going to go like walk to Gorai, not walk to Gorai. We are going to drive to Gorai and I just hope we get a parking over there. That's all I wish. So now we have almost reached Pagoda. Is just 1 kilometer from here and what you can see behind me over right there, I hope you can see, is the SL World parking, and the Gola wala just told me that you cannot park over there, you'll have to go inside to park. So I just hope that we get a parking inside. This is where we are gonna head right here. This is the way to Pagoda and this is the parking for SL World, so we have to go right here. So let's go. Sorry if I look like a mess. My helmet, I'm just removing and putting it back after every 5 minutes. We have almost reached Pagoda. We have reached to its parking. Let me just show you what over there. It's written welcome to Global Vipassana Pagoda and the entries. I don't know where am I supposed to park or should I take it beyond this. So this is the entrance. This is how it looks and we're gonna enter. I have to ask somebody is what I feel. Wait, just hold on. So as you can see, we can take the vehicle inside. I don't know why they have written we can't take beyond this point, whatever. So we are gonna go inside, take the vehicle, park, and then we are gonna go visit the pagoda. Guys, can you see this? It's right there. Finally, 2.5 hour ride is successful. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna ride very slow after this, so you can see how it is. I just hope you can see everything. So yeah, let's go. I don't think that my phone is doing enough justice to this, but this place is so pretty. So finally we have reached. If you can see behind me, this is where we wanted to come, and finally we have reached here. I'm so excited. I have been here twice, I guess, before this, and yeah, let's go. I want someone to click a picture of me, but I can't find anyone. There is a Ghoda Gadi wala over there. I'll just ask him if he would click a picture of me. So yeah, I just hope. Let's go. So we are here finally. Okay. We are following on distance. Thankfully there is no heat. So here it is, the beautiful pagoda, and we're just vlogging. So finally we have reached here and it is compulsory to wear a mask, so that is what I'm doing right now. All you can see behind me is the beautiful beauty in Mumbai at Gorai. Show you something really pretty. Look at this. I hope my phone is doing justice to this, but at the same time, so there are so many places. I really wanted some alone time and I really wanted to meditate, have some peace of mind. So yeah, come on. Rush today is literally nothing. Like it's literally nothing. And I just feel sahi din pe hai. It's a weekday. It's a Thursday today. And I'm just feeling very hot because it's afternoon. I should have come early. But yeah, that's fine. Finally, baby. Let me just show you. Uncle ji, hatiye. Look at this. There are people and there is this like particular humans, like 2-3 men who are literally trying to, these one right here, they're literally trying to ruin every frame I'm doing. So I just hope they don't do it anymore. This place is so peaceful, I tell you guys. Like, look at this. If you could see that, I am so obsessed with this place already. It's so calm. There is meditation. What are those called? Can we sit here? Wait, by the way, I just want to show you this quote has me. Like, tell me this is not peaceful when I can hear the dhamma behind, like, you know, in my, oh shit, I was too close. Sorry. Your subconscious mind, the thing which is playing on the audio tape, that literally triggers your subconscious mind so that you become more peaceful and calm. And that's the main motive of coming over here, to have that peace of mind and calm. That's all I could say. And the thing, this right here is a dome for meditation, and there is one more place where I had come last time where you can sit and meditate, but I don't know, because of this virus thing going on, will they allow to enter that place or no. So yeah, that is it for now. Just enjoy the view. So now you can see I'm just walking and I have reached the back, and you see that right there, that is where meditation happens. Like, you can, that's a 10-minute meditation session, I would say. And you can go sit and they'll play that sound. They'll let you know why meditation is important and how you can help for meditation. And I'm just thinking of going in. We can go in as well. And in that side over there, that's the canteen where we can eat, and we are right in front of this beautiful place. Actually, the water used to flow from there, but I don't know why they have stopped it. Wait, let me go close. Is rotating like slowly. I don't know if you can see, but by the wind it's rotating. Like, I can see from my eyes, but I don't know if it is getting captured. The Dhamma Chakra. Let me give you a little information. What I have about it is what I have learned, basically what I've known. So if you can see, it is spinning really slow. So this is related to the cycle of life, you can say. I just hope you're getting what I'm trying to say, right? So the chakra behind me is called the wheel of Dhamma, and it signifies manifestation, peace of mind, life, and what do you call for that? Changes life is gonna bring you with the turns, like the different turns of life. I hope you're getting me. If you're not, please Google it. I'm bad at explaining all this. So yeah. Just sitting, and you can see it's written Bodhi tree. So this tree has a significance. It's a people tree. Yeah, it's a people tree, and uncle is ruining my footage. I'll just take you inside that the stamba. So I'm taking you in, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but you see that it's this Dhamma Chakra right there, Uppa, this one, and there's this man sitting over there, and this place is called the Dome, where, you know, the power of meditation enhances. So yes, This is one of the place where you can manifest your life, your dreams, goals, and meditate. Realize that you can even hire a guide over here who can help you show places. And this thing, what I was talking about, is still closed. They haven't opened up for people. So yeah, I could not show you, and I guess this is the end of the vlog. I hope you like it. I've literally spent one whole day traveling from Mumbai to Gorai on a two-wheeler, and I'm going back, but this time I might take a ferry. So yeah, I'll take a ferry and I'll go. That'll be way easier and convenient also. And with this, I'm ending the vlog. It is, I don't know how I'm supposed to show this. It's 5, what's the time? It's 5:30 right now, something 5:25:30, and I'm gonna end it. I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Peace.